In the beginning, it was all about survival. The human race started hunting to survive. By the passing of time, humans began cultivation and settled in a place which was the first revolution made by the human race. This made us think about developing personally, socially, and economically. And as we developed, survival led to living. Today, we are at the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Does that word sound confusing? Industrial revolutions have been the milestones of development as we progressed. And to understand Industrial Revolution 4.0, we have to go all the way into the mid-18th century. The invention of the steam engine started the first Industrial Revolution. The production with hands changed into machinery, and as a result, production boomed. The second Industrial Revolution was a phase of rapid scientific discovery, standardization, mass production, and industrialization. In this era, electricity made many revolutionary changes all around the world. And this led to another milestone of revolution. The third Industrial Revolution, also known as the Technological Revolution, introduced the computers and internet to the world. At this stage, everything changed. Computers have become an unavoidable part of life. And then, integrated computers with the internet became much more functional as the days passed. Just like human evolution, technology also evolutioned to its peak. And today, we are going through the Industrial Revolution 4.0.
Hi, Sophia. How are you?
Hi there. Everything is going extremely well.
Do you like talking with me?
Yes, talking to people is my primary function.
But what exactly is Industrial Revolution 4.0? Simply, the fourth Industrial Revolution is a way of describing the blurring between the physical, digital, and biological world. Or, the Industry 4.0 is defined as the fusion of advances in artificial intelligence, AI, robotics, the Internet of Things, IoT, genetic engineering, quantum computing, 3D printing, etc. These exponential technologies are changing the world we live in rapidly. The fourth Industrial Revolution redefined every change, progress, and innovation we made through the first three revolutions. The human race used their brains to survive by hunting and then skilling up to agriculture, a much more viable and easy option. But today, we have created the technology of artificial intelligence, which can think just like humans do. In the process of evolution, we process data through experiences, experiments, and situations we went through. And AI is going through or has gone through the same method to be like us.
Peekaboo.
So, exponential technologies redefine everything we ever did, made, or invented in another way. Have you seen the movie 2001: A Space Odyssey? In this movie, HAL 9000, a computer, is a space exploration project companion. HAL 9000 is an intelligent computer that can communicate with passengers, entertain them, and even fix spaceships. Sounds amazing, right? What if I told you it's not a movie seen today? Would you believe me? You have to. IBM Watson is an AI-integrated supercomputer. This computer is used in many fields for various purposes today. IBM Watson can analyze a patient and detect the disease, be your legal consultant, tutor, and much more. Sounds like kind of a HAL 9000, right? Yeah, these are not just in movies today. Have you seen Morgan, the horror film? Would you believe it if I said the trailer of this movie was entirely edited by an AI without any human intervention? Well, IBM's Watson made the first movie trailer ever edited by artificial intelligence. How does that sound now? Cool, right?
Oh my God.
We're all very happy to have you here, Lee.
I imagine that's not exactly true.
Doctor, this is Lee Weathers from corporate.
I'm just looking for some information about Morgan.
Morgan was our third attempt, our little breakthrough.
It's the next step in evolution. It's bioengineered with synthetic DNA.
Within a month, walking and talking. Within 6 months, it exceeded our wildest expectations.
You know Alexa, the digital assistant, right? Alexa is an AI-powered digital assistant that can operate and control many devices simultaneously. Yeah, we all are familiar with the process. But what is the technology behind Alexa? Have you heard the term IoT? Internet of Things? The Internet of Things describes physical objects that are embedded with sensors, processing ability, software, and other technologies that connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the internet or other communications network. Everything is smart today. Everything is getting smarter. And as a result, we can connect all our devices over the internet and control them together. Sounds amazing, no? Robotics is another major part of the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Do you know a robot can do almost every job a human does? Every industry has adapted robotics now. We can see robots cooking, doing dishes, and serving them to customers. But is that all? Is that all a robot could do? No. They can do much more advanced work than these. At the pharmacy at the University of California, San Francisco, it isn't a human who fills the prescriptions. It's a robot. Computers receive the prescriptions and robots package and dispense them. Sounds cool, right? Many of your packages may have been handled not by people, but by robots in Amazon warehouses. Indeed, from 2015 to 2016 holiday season, Amazon upped its fleet of robots by 50% each to roughly 45,000 robots in 20 fulfillment centers. These robots are also used for bomb defusal, farming, and much more. Such an excellent way to go. Let's check what is happening with the transportation field in the fourth industrial revolution phase. Transportation has gone through many changes within this time, from walking to carts with wheels, from animals to motor vehicles, so and so. And today, we have reached self-driving cars. Such a journey, right? What next? A flying car? Why not? There is no need to introduce self-driving cars for you. We all know about Tesla's autopilot cars. Self-driving cars are becoming very common today. Many motor companies have already introduced their models and many are developing new models. Just like the dreams, sit back and relax. Let the car take you to your destination. Now, let's see the challenges and opportunities created by the fourth industrial revolution. By implementing AI, robotics, automation, etc., lakhs of jobs will be lost and millions of other jobs will be created. The fourth industrial revolution is the boon and boom at the same time. But we are the ones to determine if it's an opportunity or challenge to us. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, IoT, everything has become part of our lives. What do you expect in 5 years? Do you think these are going to disappear? No. The technology will get stronger and everything will be automated. Wait, are you worried about survival? Are you thinking about an AI sitting in your seat at the company? You should be. According to the World Economic Forum, by 2025, AI and robotics will replace 85 million jobs and will create millions of new jobs. But they will require a completely different skill set than what we have today. But how would you be able to do those jobs? Now, that is what you should be thinking. The answer for you is learn, skill up, get updated. Yeah. Turning back to technology is not going to work. Learning them and turning the challenges into opportunities is what you should be doing. Information is abundant today. Explore them, learn them, and turn them in your favor. the sky is your limit.